August 1, 2021, and nice rainstorm coming in here. It's been a really super hot summer, and high 90s, 100 degrees. Look at that storm, man. Is that incredible? It is really something else. Got everything tarped, everything covered. Man, what a storm. This is so welcome. It's really, really great to get some nice wet weather coming in. It just really surprises the hell out of me. It has been just unbearably hot this summer. And we got a real rainstorm. See if I can catch this over that street. It's really coming down. At least the cats will be wet and dry. Look at that, man. That's just really incredible. The wind is really hitting. Got some thunder and lightning. It's just incredible. I just can't believe it. It's been the most miserable heat. I don't know how long this one will last, but it looks like it's going to last quite a while. A lot of these storms come in, they last like 5 minutes and they're gone. But this one looks like it's going to be here for a while. Look at that wind just going through that pine tree. Just amazing. Wow, what a relief. What a relief. It's been a drought this year. I don't know if you can hear that. It's been a drought this year. This is so welcome. Yeah, it's hard to see it with the camera, but it's really coming down. Wow, that's incredible. Alright, gang. We'll catch you on the next YouTube.